Ivindani ngalama ya mikalile yambatite na kuneenewa ni aingi atongoi na enenthi Muyumbe wa Matungulu Stephen Mutinda Mule niwatula muti atongoi ala methiululukite Musumbi William Ruto aiweta kana methiitwe maimukenga na maikwenda utavya Musumbi uw'o kukonya utongoi wa Kenya na kuendeea kumwasya. Mule aineena kuya Matungulu niwaweta kana maundu ala serikali ikite no kuvinyiya mwenenthi na niwonanio mweanu kana mwakani wa 2027 Musumbi ndakasyoka kivilani na emina ilungu yambe yoka nondo niwanangite nzeve boni mutisya na livoti.
Muyumbe mula ainena chathini kimwe kuya Matungulu waweta kana nondo kumacha kuiga Musumbi atauneenea mathwa ma mauta na muno muthenya ni wayo vala president unekwatio kuneenea mathina la mekumlete nthi ya Kenya. Mule weta kana mathwa ma mauta nondo utaileta uvindi wa kwithwa ne umwambio wa mathina ma nthi ya Kenya.
Nduga kwika state press and state of the nation address to Kenyans, and you forgot to talk about fuel. Na tunajua vizuri sana mafuta katika Kenya hii ndio inafanya maisha ya gharama iende juu. We cannot bury our heads on the sun. Kiemba no lazima yitu yukilile atiukilila andumaitu. Mundu evithite chongwa ikidete kithangathini na iwezi mauta imono ututhini na yuga utunenga story. Haiwezekani. Kitu ile mwananchi wa kawaida alikuwa anataka kusikia jana ni vile unga itateremuka, sukari itateremuka, school fees itateremuka, chumvi itateremuka, kila kitu iteremuke, maisha ikuwe sawa.
Vamule atula muti atongoi la methiululukite President William Ruto aiweta kana methiitwe maimukenga na kumunenge mauto maratonyo mutavya na ethwa President William Ruto nukwendea na umethukise na kulea kwa liuka ni vatonye kamwakani wa 2027 kethwa na ivinda yumu kwikunea maleve.
Those surrounding you, they are clapping for you for speaking good English. The common mwananchi hataki kujua Kiingereza mingi, anataka mafuta iteremke chini, unga iteremke chini, sukari iteremke chini, school fees iteremke chini, maisha ikuwe bora. I want to advise you, Mr. President, with all humility, those who are surrounding you, they are lying to you. And you don't change your attack. 2027 utasimama na nobody will want to listen to you.
Yua mwenda President William Ruto kuthinikia mathwa ma mauta inenganengelekanyo na nthi ila ingi ithete mathwa ma mauta aiweta ingi vaina kitumikia ni ucha nthi ya Kenya kwikalia mathwa ma mauta methiulu na ni vinda ila mwene nthi nake waleta uthinikiwa na kulolwa muyo.
Tell us how we are going to reduce the cost of fuel in this country. Madam Sulu has reduced cost of fuel. Joel Museveni has reduced cost of fuel. Ethiopia, they are selling fuel at 110 shillings. Why are we Kenya buying fuel at 230 shillings? And you come to give a set of nation, you avoid the issue as a plague, this plague will eat you. This plague will eat you. Kwisi ndwimasi na wao. Namba itu yumba 2027. Kwe mundu utakemba ungama mbewando amanayani. Namba yamba alili sisi ina za muidhukezya mulondo kwasi. Choki ino toza 2027 kuzina kula kwe Kalonzo wa Musyoka. Na yuma leo mbona kunya ina za haki ya tu na nathi. Unene Katangi na mheshimiwa Kalonzo na wachu mangenda ya mwaya Western Kenya tuineena Kenyans. Tumetangazilika lino.
Otu mulengeleana na kuongeleka kwa kuiva koti va nthi ya Kenya aweta kana nthi ya Kenya na vainthi ingio na mweza kuendea ni kuongelwa kumwa koti pa President William Ruto endea na kwasenzea na kumanthondo utonyo kuma utongoini na kwinuka tene usakuwa nini ulongi ukethiwa.
Hawaje kudanganya atukikaza kama there is no country, there is no economy, including Nigeria, whereby you can overtax the people, the public, to recover the economy and to succeed. It has never happened and it is not happening in Kenya, and I wish you all the best because that is the route you will go back to Sigoi and Subui 2027. It is a shame to your government to prepare these kids never to have IDs. Any students who need schools, the first document he loves most and he wants to have is a national ID. Then you are telling us that national ID will be charged 2,000 shillings.
Kaundini ya Masaku, Matungulu Nyanitoboni, Mutesya.